Hello again, and welcome to the third video in the Module 4 series, Other Databases. In this video, I will show you how to access 4 common databases available through CNM libraries. While OneSearch is a great place to start your library research, your assignment may be one where the library's specialized databases are a more appropriate place to find the resources you need. However, before you can search one of these more targeted databases, you need to know where to find them first. In order to access the list of all of the databases CNM Libraries subscribes to, start at the library's homepage. Below the OneSearch box, locate and click on the Databases link under the heading Resources. CNM Libraries lists its databases by subject and by title on the database page. If you know which database you want to use, choose the title list. Otherwise, you can see what databases we have for different subject areas with the subject list. While CNM Libraries has access to over 80 databases, this video focuses on 4 of the most commonly used databases that correspond with commonly assigned research papers. Under the subject list, clicking on the General Research heading will give you a list of databases that have a little bit of everything in them. Of these databases, I recommend using Academic Search Complete. This database is similar to OneSearch in that it is general in nature, but its focus is only journal articles. Academic Search Complete contains peer-reviewed journal articles, as well as popular magazines and trade publication articles. If you are assigned a controversial issues paper or you are researching a current events topic, click on Controversial Issues. These databases are created with controversial issues in mind, so they present both sides of an issue and include peer-reviewed journal articles, as well as statistics, video clips, and newspaper articles. I recommend Opposing Viewpoints and Context and will demonstrate it shortly, but the other databases under controversial issues are equally acceptable when looking for resources that focus on controversial issues or current events. If you are assigned a career or college majors paper, choose the Careers link from the database list and choose Ferguson's Career Guidance Center. Ferguson's will provide you with career descriptions and outlooks for the career focus paper and information about planning your education and other related topics for the college majors paper. Finally, if you are assigned a literature research paper, choose the Literature link from the database list and click Literary Reference Center. The other 2 literature databases, Contemporary Literary Criticism and Literature Online, are available to you as well, but Contemporary Literary Criticism only covers literature published after 1930, and Literature Online contains very few full-text articles. Literary Reference Center, on the other hand, is full text, covers all eras of literature as well as the traditional literary canon, but also expands upon the canon to include more multicultural literary topics. Now that we have located CNM Libraries databases from the database page, please tune in to the next video in the series for an introduction to searching each one of the 4 databases mentioned here.